If you want to edit the path on your Windows computer, the process is easy, though not obvious at first. You can still do it, and we will show you exactly how to do it in this video. So for the first method, try using the system settings by opening right-clicking on the Start menu, then select System. Then, click Advanced System Settings, click Environment Variables, select Path under System Variables, click Edit, choose New to add a new folder, then enter the folder you want to add to your path. Now you have to type the full path of the directory you're adding. Once done, click OK twice until you have closed out of the system properties. Now after that, check the path by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following, then press Enter, and you should now see the folder you added to your path in the list. Next up, use the Command Prompt. Just open Command Prompt as an admin, add a folder to the user path by typing in the following, then replace this with the full path of the folder you want to add to the path for all users of the system. So that's how to change the path environment variables on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.